Hi, I'm Alex from Stoke Audi, and today I'll be taking you around this brand new Audi vehicle. Here we have the fast and exhilarating Audi S3 Sportback. Powered by the phenomenal 2-litre turbo petrol engine with an output of 310 PS and mated to the S Tronic automatic gearbox, it can sprint from 0 to 62 miles per hour in as little as 4.8 seconds. This Audi S3 comes furnished in the head-turning, upgraded Python yellow metallic paint. To the rear of the vehicle, we've got the body-coloured rear spoiler to complement the overall sporty aesthetic of the vehicle. Just below the sporty sweeping indicators and the S3 badge in the rear parking sensors, with a quad exhaust tip to the rear, enhancing the rear profile. Come down the side of the vehicle, we've got the privacy glass to the rear providing added sun protection. And it sits on the upgraded 19-inch 5-arm trapezoid design alloy wheels and the optional red brake calipers, with the LED headlight providing fantastic visibility on those darker journeys. The boot greets you with a practical amount of space with the option of through loading, ideal for loading items such as a weekly shop or luggage for your weekend getaways. Rear passengers are welcomed by the fine Napa leather diamond stitched seats with the added benefit of ISOFIX anchor points. The driver can get to grips with the sporty flat bottom, leather wrapped multifunction steering wheel to control the Audi virtual cockpit, and to the centre of the dash is a high resolution Audi MMI system. With the driver and front passenger held by the S-embossed diamond stitch full leather sports seats with plenty of manual adjustment. Controls for the virtual cockpit are at the driver's fingertips, along with the paddle shifters for an even more involved driving experience, with the cruise control working seamlessly alongside the S Tronic automatic gearbox. Using the virtual cockpit, the driver has access to functions such as driver assist, a selection of DAB FM radio stations, hands-free connectivity to take calls on the go, and you can navigate to your next destination using a clear view satellite navigation map. The driver or passengers can conveniently connect their smartphone devices using Apple CarPlay or Android Auto to use compatible apps on the go, and with an Audi Drive Select you can select from a range of driving modes such as dynamic for a more sporty drive. The intuitive and easy to use multi-touch function satellite navigation map allows you to zoom in and out of your current location and provide yourself with a top-down view of your surroundings, ideal for navigating those unfamiliar destinations. Moving down are the easy-to-use controls for the dual-zone climate control, where you can use the switches to adjust settings such as fan intensity, fan direction and temperature, with the driver and front passenger benefiting from heated front seats. Just below are quick access buttons for common driver functions and 2 USB ports to keep your devices charged on the move, and here we have the more than capable automatic gear selector and the red start-stop button. This vehicle comes with a minimum of 3 years manufacturer's warranty and 3 years roadside assistance and much more. If you'd like to know more information about this vehicle or to arrange a test drive, feel free to call us on 01782 488 205 or inquire online today.